how to use Kraken for beginners. Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna giving you a tutorial that how to use kraken.com. So first you need to know what is Kraken. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange. That means we match orders from clients who want to buy cryptocurrencies with orders from clients who want to sell cryptocurrencies. Basically, it's a United-based cryptocurrency that exchange and bank founded in 2011. It was one of the first Bitcoin exchange to be listed on Bloomberg terminal, and it reportedly valued at $10.8 billion. So let's get into it. First, all you have to do is to go on Google and go with kraken.com. Once you will see a landing page like this. So here you will see buy Bitcoin and crypto, sign up today, and blah blah, something like that. So Kraken is a crypto exchange for everyone, and you have to buy crypto, and these are all the exchanges like Ripple, USD, Card. These are all the crypto portfolios and exchange. So over here you will see buy Kraken. So Kraken make it easy to buy and sell crypto using your mobile phone. And for education, not sure where to start, head on your learn center and learn about all this thing about the crypto, and you can also find your answer with the whole help center. So this is also the crypto rewards, like you will see Cardano, Cosmix, Ethereum, Flow. There's a lot of different assets. Actually it's a reward you will also earn with that platform kraken.com. Over here you will see like start your crypto journey with make it easy to sign up with you. So firstly all we have to do is to simply sign up on that account, but before that you will see a lot of different features. We will talk about it later. So just simply create your account. Simply click on that. Over here you have to create your email. Let me just continue there. Simply create an account. Let me just okay, we have to create a unique username. Okay, oh yeah, so we will get the activating or in my Gmail. Just simply go with my over here. Let me just refresh that. Yeah, just go on your Gmail and you will see activate account. Simply click on that. You will get another page. This is your activation code. Alright, so it will get now. Here we go. So we signed up all your information. This is your share. You will see my profile, Nomi Hacks, and you will see my currency USD dollar, US dollar. So here is the interface. Is a dashboard. You will see right now my account balance is 0, and you will see a lot of options like buy, sell, and convert, and the payment methods. So over here on the top you will see a lot of different options like trade. You have to trade in a simple way and in an advanced way by selling and buying crypto. Just set the volume, limit, price, and the order type. You will get the trade order and prices. Over here you will see a different prices of different exchange like Dogecoin, Snapboard, Almex. There's a lot of different exchanges. You will also trade on these exchanges over here, and you will option see of NFT over here. You will simply get the email address, and you will join into the wait list, and they will let you know the NFT products. There are also different options about the learn products and support over here. Just simply go with our kraken.com. Okay, so yeah, as I told you of all of these things, so once you sign up, you will see an interface like this. This is my profile. You will see the option of setting account. Let me just show you the account. Here's my account, my username, my public ID, my email, and my default, like my time zone and language and everything. So this is how you can create your account on your on a Kraken, and you can buy and sell crypto over here. And this is basically it's a large network to buy and sell crypto, and it's basically in United States, and one of the first Bitcoin exchange to be listed on Bloomberg. So this is how you can sign up with that platform to buy and sell crypto on different assets. So make sure you subscribe this video, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye bye.